Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, S, and I am so thrilled you're here. Summer's here, and with it comes the challenge. How do we look chic, feel comfortable, and not melt? This year, there's a new energy. Style that's nostalgic yet forward-thinking, comfortable but polished. Today, we're diving into the style secrets that will define summer 2026, including the game-changing neo-vintage tech tuck. Let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation of summer style, silhouette. This season, we're saying goodbye to anything restrictive and embracing fluidity. Think long, sweeping lines that move with you. Elegant, effortless, and powerful. Asymmetric hems and wrap styles are key. An asymmetric hem adds instant interest and makes you look taller, no heels required. The wrap dress is back, reimagined in carbon-negative silks, luxurious, light, and planet-friendly. Don't believe the myth that petites can't wear flowing silhouettes. It's all about proportion and a well-placed tie at the waist. The V-neck and diagonal wrap create length and flatter every body type. For taller figures, these styles accentuate height. For curvier bodies, they highlight the waist and skim the hips. The real secret? Breathability. Lightweight fabrics and elongated lines let air circulate, keeping you cool and comfortable. Your clothes should move and breathe with you. Think of them as your personal air conditioning. When shopping, look for asymmetric cuts and wrap dresses in the lightest materials. Don't fear length. Embrace it, no matter your height. The goal is a soft, intentional shape, not a shapeless sack. Get the silhouette right and everything else falls into place. It's the secret to looking put together even on the hottest days. Embrace the drape, let your clothes move, and think of yourself as a walking piece of art. This is the first step to mastering effortless summer style. Go with the flow, literally. The right silhouette is your summer superpower. Build your look on this foundation, and you're halfway to chic. Ready to move on? Let's talk color. Because once you've got the shape, it's time to paint the canvas. Let's go. Now that we have our silhouettes, let's talk color. This summer, it's all about rich, sun-drenched earthy tones. Think terracotta, burnt sienna, ochre, and dusty aqua. These colors are warm, sophisticated, and versatile. Grounded and organic, perfect for natural, flowing fabrics. The secret to combining them? The 60-30-10 rule. 60% is your dominant color, maybe a terracotta dress. 30% is your secondary, like a sand-colored bag. 10% is your accent. Think aqua sandals or a bold necklace. This structure creates balance and makes your outfit feel intentional. Our brains love this harmony. It just feels right. Let's play. Terracotta jumpsuit, terracotta bag, terracotta shoes. Too much. Ochre skirt, white top, aqua necklace. Yes, perfect. Sienna dress, ochre belt, aqua earrings. Absolutely. The 60-30-10 rule isn't rigid. Use it as a guide to build confidence with color. Want to feel grounded? Lean into terracotta and sienna. Want to feel serene? Let aqua take the lead. These sun-drenched tones all work together, so mix and match with freedom. Apply the 60-30-10 rule to elevate your look from nice to wow. Challenge. Look at your wardrobe and identify your 60, 30, and 10% pieces. Build outfits like an artist. Your body is the canvas. Color is your mood, your energy, your summer story. Ready to add depth? Let's talk texture. Because a great outfit isn't just about color, it's about how it feels. Next up, the secret to depth and dimension. Let's make your look truly unforgettable. Onward, texture time. Here we go. Silhouette and color set the stage, but texture brings your outfit to life. Texture adds depth, dimension, and a sense of luxury. This summer, it's all about mixing rustic and refined, natural and futuristic. Start with crisp linen, wide-leg trousers, blazers, even bustiers. Linen is breathable, relaxed, and the perfect matte base. Add a twist bio-fabricated leather. Today's plant-based leathers are soft, lightweight, and modern. A bio-leather belt or clutch against linen. Divine. For the final touch, neo-vintage lace. Laser cut, metallic threaded, graphic and romantic. Picture linen with lace sleeves, or a slip dress trimmed in lace. The contrast is subtle, feminine, and fresh. Quick check. Linen shirt with bio-leather skirt? Yes. Full lace dress with lace bag? No, too much. Linen trousers, cotton tank, Lace scarf? Absolutely. Mixing textures isn't just about looks, it's about how you feel. Studies show varied textures boost mood and confidence. Crisp linen, smooth bio leather, intricate lace, each tells a story. Don't be afraid to mix matte with sheen, rustic with delicate. The goal: a look as interesting to touch as to see. Texture is your secret weapon for standout summer style. It's the difference between getting dressed and crafting an outfit. Ready for the finishing touch? Let's accessorize. The art of adornment is next. Now let's talk accessories, the final act that makes your look yours. This season it's less but better. A few key pieces with real impact. Consider scale. Delicate jewelry can get lost against bold silhouettes. Match the energy, not the materials. Let your accessories echo your outfit's vibe. Chunky gold chains are in. One bold necklace on a terracotta dress is perfection. Oversized resin cuffs bring in accent color and modern artistry. Sunglasses are a must. Retro-futuristic shapes make a statement. Sandals matter. Flatforms or minimalist slides ground your look and add comfort. Here's the golden rule. One statement per zone. Neck, ears, arms, hands, feet, ankles. If your necklace is the star, keep bracelets minimal. If your cuff is bold, skip the necklace. If your shoes are the focus, let jewelry be subtle. This keeps your look uncluttered and elegant. Lay out your accessories and ask, what's the story? Which piece is the protagonist? Let it shine, and let the others support. Intentional accessorizing separates good style from great style. It's the finishing touch that speaks volumes. Accessories are your signature. Choose wisely. With the right adornment, your summer look is complete. But there's one last secret to pull it all together. The neo-vintage tech tuck is next. Ready for the ultimate styling trick? Let's reveal it. This is the game changer. Here we go. The final flourish, the neo-vintage tech tuck. It's a simple, transformative styling trick. Just a tiny, sharp tuck of your top's front corner, right at the waistband. Not a full tuck, not a messy French tuck, just a precise 1-inch tuck at the center. This creates a sharp V shape, breaking up your top and adding instant polish. The effect? It defines your waist, elongates your silhouette, and keeps things breezy. It's both classic and modern, a nod to tradition with a technical edge. Born backstage at the shows, it's now a stylist's secret weapon. Works with linen shirts, silk blouses, knits or tees, any top that needs a little shape. If your top feels too long or shapeless, the tech tuck is your answer. It gives you definition without sacrificing comfort. It's the detail that says you know what you're doing. Try it in front of the mirror, see the difference. Once you master it, you'll use it everywhere. The tech tuck is the finishing touch that pulls your whole look together. With this trick, you're ready to master summer style. You have the full toolkit: silhouette, color, texture, accessories, and now, the ultimate tuck. As summer winds down, these principles will carry you into fall. Stay tuned for my next guide on transitioning your summer staples. Don't miss it. Until then, keep experimenting. You're officially in the know. Let's wrap up. And there you have it, your complete guide to conquering summer style in 2026. Embrace fluid silhouettes, sun-drenched colors, rich textures, and intentional accessories. Make the neo-vintage tech tuck your signature move. Remember, these are guidelines. Make them your own. Which secret will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more. Stay cool, stay chic, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Before you head off to refresh your wardrobe, remember, this channel is your go-to destination for all things style. From the hottest trends to timeless tips, we're here to fuel your passion for fashion and help you make confident, inspired shopping choices. If you crave fresh ideas, practical advice, and a vibrant community of fellow style lovers, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Join us as we explore, experiment, and express ourselves, one fabulous outfit at a time. Stay inspired, stay unstoppable, and keep turning heads. See you in the next video.